Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva templates. First, open Canva and select Create a Design to begin your project. Choose a blank canvas or an existing design to modify. Consider the purpose of your template, whether it's for social media, presentations, or documents. This initial step sets the foundation for a successful and versatile template that can be used many times over. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Select your desired dimensions, perhaps 1080 by 1080 pixels for an Instagram post. Add your core design elements like background colors, shapes, and icons. Use text boxes and image frames as placeholders, clearly indicating where users should add their own content. Remember to leave ample space for customization, making your template flexible and user-friendly for everyone. To ensure brand consistency, set your brand colors and fonts within the template. You can lock certain elements, like your logo or background, to prevent accidental changes by others. This maintains your design integrity. Once your template is perfect, click Share and choose Template Link to allow others to use it as a new design. This makes sharing incredibly easy and efficient for teams or clients. For the best results, keep your template simple and easy to understand. Avoid overcrowding with too many elements. Consider adding a small instruction box within the template itself, guiding users on how to customize it effectively. Regularly review and update your templates to ensure they remain relevant and align with any evolving brand guidelines. A well-maintained template saves significant time and effort for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.